Hi guys, this is my cr85. You can see that it says Honda cr85, and look at the stickers, it's just beautiful. It's just a lovely bike. There we go, CR there you can see, and cr85 again, and Honda. Pretty nice bike. And this video is just showing you a recording of the baffle on and the baffle off, just what they sound like. This is with the baffle on. It's a bit cold at the moment. As you can see, that sounds just like your ordinary cr85. Now I'll take the baffle off it. Just use this. I'll pause the recording while I do this. Might take a while. Where is it? Oh, sorry guys, I can't find the pause button. But this is the first bolt. Whoa, the second bolt just came out. And hang on, what's that? That bolt's out as well. Oh my gosh. The baffle's out as well. And all the stuff's here. 1, 2, 3 bolts. That is amazing. Alright, well, let's get it started. Listen to the cr85. Beautiful idle. Oh, don't you just love that? It sounds awesome. Turn it off now. There we go. Alright. Well, let's go inside and eat a donut.